Today we shall discuss the border plot problem. This is the problem g of s is equal to 10 into s plus 10 into divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 5. Okay, find its gain margin and phase margin. If the given is in the standard form, then no need of step 1. Okay, how it should be in standard form? Okay, k into 1 plus t1 into s 1 plus t2 into s divided by s to the power of p into 1 plus ta into s into 1 plus tb into s. This is the standard form. Okay, this is the standard form. If the given standard transfer function, if the given transfer function is in this form, no need of step 1. If they have not given in the standard form, then you need to convert into standard form. Okay, g of s into h of s is equal to, from s plus 10 take out common 10, then you will get 10 into 10 into 1 plus s divided by 10. From s plus 2 you take out common 2. From s plus 5 take out common 5. Okay, s into 2 1 plus s by 2 into 5 into 1 plus s by 5. Okay, you will get 10 into 1 plus 0.5 into s divided by s into 1 plus 0.5 into s into 1 plus 0.2 into s. Okay, this is the k value. K is equal to 10. 20 log k is equal to 20 dB, straight line parallel to 20 log omega axis. Next factor is 1 divided by s. That means pole is at origin, straight line of slope minus 20 dB per decade passing through intersection of omega equal to 1 and 0 dB. 1 divided by 1 plus 0.5 into s, it is a simple pole. T1 is equal to 0.5, omega C1 is equal to 1 divided by T1 is equal to, you will get 2. Okay, straight line of slope of minus 20 dB per decade for omega greater than or equal to 2. Next, simple pole, find out omega C2, you will get the 5 value, straight line of slope minus 20 dB per decade up to omega greater than or equal to 5. Next, it is a simple 0, find out omega C3 value and you will get a plus 20 dB per decade because it is a simple 0. Okay, it is a 0, so you will get the plus 20 dB per decade. Next, you need to write range of omega and resultant slope. Okay, from 0 to 2 minus 20 dB, from 2 to 5 minus 20 minus 20, that is from 2 to 5 minus 20, again this minus 20 minus 40 dB, from 5 to 10 minus 20, but here minus 40 minus 20 resultant we want, so minus 60 dB. From 10 to infinity plus 20, but with what you got before minus 60 plus 20, you will get minus 40 dB per decade. Next, g of s into h of s. Instead of s, what I have replaced here? J omega. Replace instead of s, j omega. Make this table. Okay, this is a phase angle table. Omega 1 divided by j omega 1 divided by 1 plus. This we will take, how we will take? Tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part. Okay, I have written like this. Okay, minus tan inverse of 0.5 omega divided by real part means you will get 1 only. So minus tan inverse 0.2 omega plus, because it is in the numerator, it is a 0, so you will get plus tan inverse. Remember, for 0 we will write plus tan. For poles we will take a minus. Okay, next phi r, how you will get resultant angle, phase angle, add these all, you will get the phi r. Okay, omega values, how to take omega values? What you got? Omega C1 2 5 10 infinity. Okay, instead of starting with 0, I have started with 0.2, or you can start with the 0.1 0.3 like this. Okay, I have started with 0.2 2 5 10 infinity. Change omega values, you will get the angles, substitute the angles, make table, phase angle table. Okay, next you need to draw the border plot similar graph. Okay, how to draw similar graph? First x-axis, x-axis, y-axis. This is the x-axis log omega, and y-axis you'll get 2, okay, magnitude and phase angle, okay. First we shall draw the magnitude part, okay. First 0 dB, okay, 0 dB straight line, okay, you can see dark line, okay, 0 dB dark line. Next 20 log k, that is 10. 20 log 10, what you got? 20 dB, okay, 20 dB. Mark a straight line, okay, it should be in a dark, okay. Next what you got? One pole is at origin, okay, one pole is at origin. Mark the you can see while drawing the slope, if we draw like this, this is a plus slope value, okay. If we draw like this, then it is a minus slope, okay. Then we are drawing from here to here, that means this is a minus 20 dB per decade, okay. From 20 to here, mark a straight line, and after this marking, after this you mark the parallel line for this, okay, parallel line for this up to omega c1, okay. From omega c1, omega c2 value is 5, okay. From omega c1 to omega c2, continue from up to omega c3 and up to infinity, okay. This dark line, you can see how. Next phase angle, you can see first mark the 20 to 0, this is omega is equal to 1, okay, omega is equal to 1. The pole is at origin, means what we should do? Intersect minus 20 dB per decade passing through intersection of omega equal to 1 and 0 dB, okay, omega equal to 1 and 0 dB, okay. So mark straight line from minus 20 dB and draw parallel for this up to omega c1, okay, up to omega c1. After continuation till omega c2, mark omega c2 is 5 and continuation till omega c3 value, omega c3 value is 10. Next up to infinity, okay. How to find out this minus 20 dB, minus 40 dB? You have written already table, okay. From 0 to omega c1 minus 20 dB, from 2 to 5 minus 40 dB, from 5 to 10, from 5 to 10 minus 60 dB, from 10 to infinity minus 40 dB. Mention this one, okay. Next after this one, phase angle, okay. This is a minus 210, minus 180 should be dark line, okay. Minus 150, minus 120, minus 90, okay. At 0.2, this is a 0.2, minus 96.85, you will get, mark this point, okay. Go on marking the angles, okay. Next for 2, you will get minus 1. For 2, omega is equal to 2, okay. 2, this one, minus 145.85. Next for omega is equal to 5, you can see omega is equal to 5, okay. That is minus 176.62. Next omega is equal to 10, minus 187.12. Next omega is equal to infinity, at that point you will get 180, okay. Again it gone for 180, okay. From minus 187 to again 180, okay. How to mark the omega GC and omega PC? That is a gain crossover and phase crossover, okay. You can see here this point, this line, magnitude line and 0 dB, okay. Stop at here. After this point it will go down, so the point intersect this line, magnitude line and 0 dB. Mark this point as A, okay. You can mark this point as A, mark this point as A, because 0 dB and magnitude line intersect, and after this it will going down. Okay, this line we mark a straight line for this, that we call as omega GC. Okay, omega GC value is 4.2. Okay, 4.2. Next, how to draw phase crossover. Okay, this is a gain crossover, gain line and 0 dB. Okay, this is a gain line and 0 dB intersects, and after that it will go down. That point you mark as A, that line we call omega GC. From here to here, omega is value is 4.2, so omega GC is equal to 4.2 radians. Next to omega PC. Okay, how to find out omega PC? Minus 180 line is dark. Okay, you see after this 180, after this dark line is crossing 180. Okay, this after 180 this line is crossing. Okay, mark at point 180. Okay, 180 line and this phase angle line intersects. At that point mark a straight line. Okay, it is intersecting phase angle line and 180 degree line. This we call as B. Okay, we call this as B. Mark a straight line. This you will get 6. Okay, that we call omega PC is equal to 6. You can see omega GC is equal to 4.2 radians per second. Omega PC is equal to 6 radians per second. After marking omega GC and omega PC, now we should find out GM and PM. Okay, how to find out GM and PM? Okay, this line. Okay, you can see here 180 degree and this point. Okay, this we call PM plus 9 degree. Okay, this straight line. Okay, straight line from here to here, this is PM. Okay, from here to 0 dB line we call GM. Okay, GM is equal to plus 8 dB. Okay, from here to here GM is equal to 8 dB. Okay, you can see here this is a 0 dB line and each point is 4. Okay, each point is 4. That means only 2 lines are there. So GM is equal to plus 8 dB. Okay, here you can see that is minus 180 and 150. How much the difference you will get? 30. Okay, how many lines are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is each line 6. Above 6 it is. Okay, you can see this is above 6. So plus 9 degree. Okay, thank you. I hope you will understand. Omega GC is equal to 4.2 radians per second. Omega PC is equal to 6 radians per second. GM is equal to plus 8 dB. PM is equal to plus 9 dB.